Before starting an embroidery project, remember to set the embroidery speed for the type of garment you're embroidering. Generally, most flats should be embroidered at 800 stitches per minute, while caps should be embroidered at 500 to 600 stitches per minute. In addition, detail designs and small lettering should also be embroidered at a slower speed to increase clarity. You may set and adjust the embroidery speed using the plus and minus key icons on the left side of the panel. The section in the middle will display the speed at which your machine is running. The top number is the speed you have selected your machine to run, and the bottom number is the current speed at which the machine is running. On the opposite side of the screen, you'll find your frame shifting/speed increments key in center of the 4 directional arrow keys. You can tap on this key to increase or decrease the speed key increments and to control how quickly the frame moves. If the key is displaying 2 arrows, tapping the plus or minus button will increase or decrease the speed in increments of 50 stitches per minute, and the pantograph will move at a faster speed when you move the frame using the directional arrows. If the key is displaying 1 arrow, tapping the plus or minus button will increase or decrease the speed in increments of 10 stitches per minute, and the pantograph will move at a slower speed when you move the frame using the directional arrows.